everyone, my name is Yusinta. I'm from Budi Luhur University majoring in Desain Komunikasi Visual. Today, I want to share with you how to make the simple design flyer using Canva. But first, I want to explain it to you what is Canva. Canva is an Australian graphic design platform that used to create the social media graphics and presentation. In Canva, you can find a lot of social media graphics such as Instagram posts, Instagram story, flyer, poster, presentation, and also logo. And now, let's try how to make the simple design flyer using Canva. Okay, now the first step you need to do, let's open the Canva from Google Chrome and let me choose the free templates. After you open the Canva, you can see a lot of social media graphic that you can use. Because today we are going to make the simple design flyer, so let me choose the flyer. After you open the flyer, you can see the blank page, and in the left side, you can see the element and also the template of design flyer. You can choose by using the template of design flyer or you want to create by your own design. If you want to create by your own design, you can choose the elements based on your theme because there are so many illustrations and also the graphic that you can use for your design. And after you finish with all of your design, you can choose share to save your design. And don't forget to click download. If the download is complete, it means your design is done. Now, let's see how the process of the design by using Canva. So, that is how to make the simple design using Canva. I hope you will enjoy to watch this video. Thank you!